Assalamu alaikum students. I'm Mrs. Mazahra here. As you know, we are learning the chapter Industries in Pakistan. Today we are going to learn the subtopic Importance of Industries, in which we are learning how industries can play a vital role in the development or economic development of a country. So let's start. Industries played a vital role in the development of a country. It is a proven fact that a country with a strong industrial sector have shown more economic growth, had improved national income, generate revenue, and promoted living standard of people. If agriculture is backbone of a country, then industry is the energy of it. Without industries, economic development is impossible. There are some importance. The first one is industries provide employment to the people. Industries provide employment to the people of all educational levels and skills. Traditionally, women are not encouraged to work outside their homes. Cottage industries provide them employment and chance of earning as well. Then, standard of living improves. Standard of living improves. Industrialization causes the income of people to rise and improve their standard of living. There is a rise in income, and so the rate of savings, rate of investments, and rate of spending also rise. It turned people had access to healthier diets, better housing, and cheaper goods. It turns the standard of living for the entire society of economy of the country. Then the next one is less import and more export. A country that only depends only agricultural sector cannot achieve stability. Industrialization provides economic stability to the country. This is a balance between the contribution of agriculture and industrial sector. It increase in foreign exchange. With the introduction of more and more industries, there will be a rise in foreign exchange. Earnings, exports will rise, and imports will start falling down. Now, natural resources are not wasted. Raw material produced in the agricultural sector, natural resources are not wasted when we have a lot of or more and more industries. They are turned into valuable and profitable products or ventures. Industries make effective use of local raw materials, which also promotes primary industry like agriculture and mining. Then we have new technology and expertise is introduced while we have more industries. Industrialization provide larger possibility of job training and technological progress. The advancement of technology increase the scale of production and quality of product and production increase and decrease or reduces its cost. For example, it provides machinery like tractors, thresher, bulldozers to be used in farms and make the farmers' work easier. Now, industrialization in Pakistan. At the time of independence, Pakistan had a very weak industrial base. Pakistan inherited only 34 small industrial units out of the total 921 in the subcontinent. Now, Pakistan has a strong industrial base, and industries account for nearly 17% of GDP. It employs almost 15% of the total labor force. Although our country has progressed enough in industrial sector and we have become self-sufficient in some industrial fields, still we cannot claim to be an industrial developed country. We still depend on other countries for various industrial products. The economy of our country depends on agriculture. The large scale industry has only 19% share in our GDP. Following are some of the main industries of Pakistan: textile industry, cement industry, cottage industry, sugar industry, and automobile industry. We have already learned these industries. These are the major industries we have already learned about in the previous lecture. Now, there's a task to do. You have to write down the advantages of having well developed industrial system or base for a country. You have to write down how a country can develop with the help of the industrial system, a strong industrial system, or a country can develop by the strong industries in it or the progress of the industries.